Respecting my class in charts and all my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you.
Very good morning, yes.
I they are from 9th grade. Today I am here for mastering the concept and my topic is structure of atom. In this video we will discuss about atom, Dalton atomic theory, Thomson model of an atom, Rutherford model of an atom, drawbacks of Rutherford, Bohr's model of an atom, and last one is subatomic particles. Now let's start with atom. What are the atoms? Atoms are building block of any matter. Every matter is made up of atom, whether it is visible or invisible. For example, air. Air is invisible particle, but it is also made up of atom. Next one is Dalton atomic theory. Dalton was a scientist who gave a theory about atom that is known as Dalton atomic theory. According to this theory, atom is indivisible particle. Indivisible particle. What is the meaning of indivisible particle? The particles which cannot be divided further are known as indivisible particles. So according to Dalton atomic theory, the atoms are indivisible particles. He also said that atoms cannot be destroyed nor created during a chemical reaction. But after Thomson model of an atom, J. Thomson was a scientist who discovered electron. Electrons are negatively charged particles of an atom. Also we can say that electron is a subatomic particle. Now I will tell you the structure given by J. Thomson of an atom. According to him, atom is positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded. He also said that the mass of atom is equally distributed among full atom. Now he also said that the magnitude of electrons and protons are equal, so atom is electrically neutral. Now about Rutherford model of an atom. According to Rutherford model of an atom, the whole mass of atom resides inside the nucleus of an atom. This was the drawback of Thomson model of an atom. Now Rutherford model of an atom. Ernest Rutherford was a scientist who carried out alpha scattering experiment. Now I will explain you alpha scattering experiment. Now alpha scattering experiment. In alpha scattering experiment, Rutherford chose a gold foil. Why he chose a gold foil? Because he wanted to choose a foil which is highly malleable, and gold is a highly malleable metal. And what are alpha particles? Alpha particles are doubly charged ions of helium whose mass number is 4 unified. Now, what are the observations of Rutherford model of an atom? Most of the alpha particles pass straight. What it indicates? It indicates that most of the space inside the atom is empty. Some particles were deflected by small angles. It indicates that there are protons present in the atom. And 1 out of 12,000 particles, 1 out of 12,000 alpha particles was deflected by 180-degree angle. What indicates it? It indicates that the mass of whole atom is reside inside the nucleus. Now, what are the differentiate between J. Thomson and Rutherford model of an atom? According to Thomson model of an atom, the mass of the atom is equally distributed. But according to the Rutherford model of an atom, the mass of whole atom reside inside the nucleus. Now I will explain you what are the drawbacks of Rutherford. According to him, electrons revolve around the nucleus and fall into the nucleus. If electrons will revolve around the nucleus, due to the acceleration, they will radiate energy. And if they will radiate energy, the atom will be highly unstable. But we have studied that atom is stable substance. Now, next one is Bohr model of an atom. According to Bohr model of an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed path, known as discrete orbits or cells. According to Bohr model of an atom, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed path, known as discrete orbits or cells. The name of first orbit or cell is K cell, second L cell, third M cell, last is N cell. Bohr also give a formula to fill electrons in this cell. This formula is N square. The value of N for first cell is 1, second cell is 2, third cell 3 and fourth cell 4. Now we will find the electrons in various cells. First cell is K cell, for which the value of N is 1. So 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. In K cells, there can be only 2 electrons. Second one is L cell. As I told you, the value of N for L cell is 2. So the electrons are 8. In second or L cell, the electrons can be only 8. The value of N for third cell, that is M cell, is 3. So electrons are 18. In M cells, there can only be 18 electrons. Now N cell, the value of N for N cell is 4. So electrons are 32. In N cell, there can be only 32 electrons. Again, in K cell, the value of N is 1. In L cell, value of N is 2. In M cell, the value of N is 3. In N cell, the value of N is 4. By using this formula, we have find the various number of electrons in various cells. In K cell, there can only 2 electrons. In L cell, 8, M cell, 18 and N cell, 32. Now our last topic is subatomic particles. There are 3 subatomic particles. First one is electron. Second one is proton. And third one is neutron. What are electrons? Electron is a subatomic particle which is negatively charged particle. It was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Next one is proton. Proton is also a subatomic particle which is positively charged particles. It was discovered by E. Goldstein. Now about neutron. Neutron is neutrally charged. It was discovered by J. Chadwick. This is all from my side. I hope you understood this whole topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.